Ucam, the wearable camera, is a groundbreaking device designed to seamlessly integrate into various aspects of art, sport, fashion, and culture. Here are some key features that set it apart. Accessory-free design, Ucam can be worn completely without any additional accessories. It's lightweight and discreetly attaches to your clothing. Point of view capture, the camera captures your unique perspective, making it ideal for athletes, performers, and anyone who wants to share their experiences from their own eyes. Mobile app control, operate Ucam using a mobile app. You can capture, edit, and upload videos directly from your smartphone. The live stream feature allows real-time interaction with fans and followers. Immersive experience, Ucam breaks the fourth wall of media, providing an immersive experience for viewers. Imagine seeing a basketball game from the player's viewpoint or witnessing an artist's creative process firsthand. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Ucam. Pros: convenience, comfort, durability. Cons: limited information, battery life, storage capacity, video quality, field of view. Overall, the Ucam presents an intriguing concept for capturing POV footage with its accessory-free design and potential durability. However, the lack of extensive reviews, limited information about battery life, storage capacity, and video quality necessitate thorough research before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.